Hello, it's Mrs. Barnes here from Tradewinds Academy. This playlist is full of Jolly Phonics teaching. We've used this platform and Class Dojo during coronavirus in 2020 to teach our children in reception class Jolly Phonics. If you are teaching your child at home during this time, you can use this playlist, but it's recommended that you go through in order. I'm going to take you through the groups 1 to 7 in order now so that you can see which order you need to teach your child in. As I do so, I'll also show you the actions for each sound. S, A, T, I, P, N, K, E, R, N, D, G, O, A, O, B, A, J, O, I, E, O, Z, W, V, U, Y, X, Ch, Sh, V, Qu, Ow, Oi, U, Ah. It's important to note that some of those actions have been adapted for use at our school. They're different to those that you might see on the Jolly Phonics app, for example. If you need flashcards or further instruction about Jolly Phonics, then you can visit our school website. You can also get this very display by following the link to our Dropbox.